Hello guys, magandang araw. So i-try natin ngayon mag voice over. So ayan guys, today is March 13, 2024. So mag-prepare na ako sa aking anak na si Michael kasi siyang palaging
bye Michael, see you later.
Sa kanila
bye.
pala. And then ayan, dumating na ang school bus, tamang-tama lang pagdating. Tapos ayan, akit na si Michael. Magbabay na ako. Tapos naman, this time, ayan guys, kasi pislango ako. Kasi, iwan ko dyan, tumutulo talaga yung sipong ko kapag umaga. Tapos nawawala siya kapag uminom ako ng mainit na tubig or something like hot chocolate, chocolate milk, like that. Ayan, tapos tumutulo, lagyan ko na lang talaga yan ng ganyan sa ng ilong. Tapos, ito naman guys, si Dio naman ay magkain-kain na yan siya. Itulungan ko lang siya pag-prepare yung avocado at saka yung banana ko. Tapos siya na yung maglagay ng kanyang machine. Tapos yan, lagi siyang aakyat dyan kasi sasaksak niya. Tapos siya nang maglalagay ganyan-ganyan kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga yan gawin. Kasi kapag pigilan ko magagalit. So, hayaan na natin siya, kung saan siya masaya. Suportahan na lang natin siya. Gusto niya yan, magpislit-pislit. Tapos na. Tapos, yan, gusto niya yan na siya talaga ang magbubukas. Hindi ako, kasi magagalit yan kapag ako magbukas. Gusto niya siya. Tapos, hayaan na niya ako na ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, ito naman ay kainan time na. Wala siya sa mood ng umagang to. Kailangan ko pa talaga siyang sundan kung saan siya pumunta. So, yan. Ayan, tapos na. Last shot. And then, ay, nako, si Dion, ayan na. Kasi, yung camera daw talaga eh. Si Sofia, hi baby. Tapos, next ay oras na ni Dion pupunta sa bus kasi mag-aantay na siya ng kanyang school bus. And then si Sofia balik ng balik, sinusundan niya kasi yung brother niya dyan sa laundry room para lalabas. Ayan na ako. Ayan, yun yung mga chika-chika natin, yung mga story ng mga pinagagawa namin araw-araw, no? Actually guys, sana hindi kayo magsasawa. Kasi paulit-ulitin talaga yung routine namin. Ayan, una si Michael, gising maaga, tapos si Michael, tapos sunod naman si Dion. Tapos dyan naman palagi kami sa laundry room. Wala naman kaming ibang lugar dito sa bahay namin, no? Kundi dyan naman talaga kami palagi pumupunta sa laundry room. Kasi palabas na yan, pupunta sa labas. Ayan. So, yan, lagay na ako ng kanyang, boots. Yan, this time, inaano niya si Sofia. Yan, umiyak tuloy yung bata. Kasi, ayaw niya hawakan ni Sofia yung ganyan. Yung vacuum, carpet cleaner. Tapos, yan po, ay naku, si Sofia may iyak. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung coat. Tapos, ayun na si Dion. Lalabas na. Oras na para lumabas. Bye, Dion. Ay, kargahin natin tong anak kasi umiiyak eh.
Oh my goodness, Dia, what is that I see? School bus is here. School car. Bye, Dia. See you later. Mas nag-cry-cry imong manghod. Bye, Dion. Have fun. Bye. Bye. I love you. See you later. Bye.
Hello guys! So today ay pupunta kami sa Goodwill. Ako lang at saka si baby Sofia. Kasi matangkad na si baby. Kailangan na niya ng more pants. So, later na ulit. See you later. Mag-drive muna ako. Hi! So, andito na kami sa Goodwill. Wala. I-close ko lang yung window. Hi, baby sister. Sophia. We are here already. Are you ready to? Hi. Hi. Yeah, that's the sunglasses. Yay. Are you ready? Shopping? You're gonna stay in there, okay? I mean, in the cart. You're gonna stay inside the cart. You're gonna stay inside the cart? What? What you trying to say? Are you ready? Wait, Sophia. Baby is in the house. You didn't bring the baby. Get inside.
Raises sort of other questions, right? Like how the word of God to run.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East 2075th Road.
Hi.
Hello, Mama.
Hi, how are you, boys?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
You can drive with me.
Oh, no. Hindi yun.
Drive with me, please.
Wanna go inside?
Mama, drive with me, please.
garage.
I'm going to stay here. And then I'm going to get up.
You wanna go inside?
After me, it's your turn, Mama. Mama! Mama, there's a stop and go. There's a go and stop. A basketball.
Basket.
Oh, wait, basketball with this.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on the engine. Turn on the engine.
Blow the engine. Hey. I didn't press it. I want to go with you.
Go inside. Go inside. You wanna go inside? Go inside? No? Okay. Bye, Dion. See you later. Bye, Dion. Careful, Dion, ha. Bye. Ang kugmo ko na lang ko eh. Naman kay kugmo, baby.
Mama, you do the 0.
Yeah, because it's so slow.
Mama, I'm operating the car.
You like driving?
Go in the garage. Mama, there's the arrow says go in the garage.
Hold on, baby. It's just here. Alright. Thank you.
Oh. I get out in the car.
Thank you. Okay, get the
Play
ball, please.
basketball.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Oh,
Oh, wow. I'm gonna close this. Excuse me.
I want to open this.
Dion.
What is this?
Oh my gosh, nagkorek-korek pa yan siya dyan.
Oh, no, no, no. Mama, I'm going to put a nail over here. Let me see. There we go.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.